Today we're looking at the controllers for the gas-powered Grout Hogs. The first one we're looking at is the GPH-A-28. It is identified in a couple different ways. It's got arrows on the buttons for the forward and reverse. It has the SPX written right on the controller. There are two magnets on the back of the controller. That's one way to identify it. The other end of the cord hardwires straight to the valve, and this controller is used for the valve that is mounted under the hood of the Grout Hog beside the Honda engine. Next we went to the GPH-A-7. This is a wood head controller. There's no arrows on the buttons. There's forward and reverse. No magnets on the back of the controller. The other end of the cord goes into the Grout Hog under the hood and connects to the wiring harness using watertight connectors. The next one we went to, and this is our current model, is the GPH-A-22. It's got the same wood head controller, forward and reverse on the controller, but the other end of the cord has a screw-on connector that connects underneath the motor plate on the Grout Hog. And this connector connects to the GPH-A-23, the female end of the connector, and this connector stays on the Grout Hog permanently so you can quickly remove the controller for replacement or for any reason that you want to take it off to work on it. Another option we have is the wireless remote that replaces this controller. It's a handheld remote. It comes with a lanyard. This part of the remote will mount to the Grout Hog and will connect at the same point that your controller normally would mount. If you have any questions identifying these controllers or any questions or anything with the Grout Hogs, you can reach us at 800-417-9272.